Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we are tackling a common Python error, WinError 2, the system cannot find the file specified. This error can be frustrating, but it's usually quite simple to fix once you understand why it happens. We will cover the common causes of this error and how to troubleshoot them. We will look at scenarios where the file path is incorrect, the file doesn't actually exist at the given location, and the script lacks necessary permissions. Let's dive in. First, the most common culprit is an incorrect file path. Python needs the exact path to find your file. Double-check your spelling, capitalization, and directory separators. Windows uses backslash symbol, but Python sometimes interprets them as escape sequences. Use raw strings, prefix your path with r, double backslashes, backslash, or // symbol for Windows paths. For example, rc /users /myuser /myfile.txt or c /users /myuser /myfile.txt or c /users /myuser /myfile.txt are all valid ways to define file paths. Next, confirm that the file actually exists at the specified location. It sounds obvious, but it's easily overlooked. Use your File Explorer to manually navigate to the directory. Is the file there? Is the file name exactly as you typed it in your Python script? A simple typo can lead to this error. Also, consider relative versus absolute paths. A relative path is relative to the location of your Python script. An absolute path is the full path from the root directory. When your script executes, the system tries to find the file. If your current script is not in the same folder with the file, it may show the error. Third, permissions issues can trigger this error. Your Python script might not have the necessary permissions to access the file. This is especially common if you are trying to read or write to files in protected directories. Try running your Python script as an administrator. Right-click the Python interpreter or the script file and choose Run as Administrator. You may also need to adjust the file permissions directly. Right-click the file, select Properties, go to the Security tab, and make sure your user account has the necessary read and write permissions. This can often fix this problem. A related scenario is when another program has the file open, especially for writing. This prevents Python from accessing it. Close any other programs that might be using the file and try running your script again. This locks the file, preventing access. Finally, if you are working with external libraries or modules, make sure they are correctly installed. Sometimes, the library depends on external files, and if these files are missing or incorrectly configured, it can lead to the WinError 2 error. Consider reinstalling the affected library using pip. Try pip install force reinstall library _name. Review your code carefully. Sometimes you might assume certain files exist in certain locations. For example, you may be trying to open a file before it's created or saved, leading to WinError 2. That's it for today's tutorial on fixing the WinError 2 error in Python. Remember to double-check your file paths, verify file existence, and consider permissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Consider supporting the channel by sharing this video with other Python learners. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Thanks for watching.